best software to use for print on demand business. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you which software to use for print on demand website and why it is the best. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now over here I'm on the website called gelato.com. Now Gelato is a print on demand website where you can create your very own print on demand business. Now if you're wondering why it's one of the best ones out there, well, I'll give you a couple of reasons. Number one, it's easy to use and it's very easy to set up your account on Gelato. And it's very easy to integrate it with other softwares as well. And it's easy to start your international business as well. There is no limitations on Gelato as well. And another thing, it is completely free. So over here on Trustpilot, you can see that it has a score of 4.7 out of 5, and it has one of the highest scores in the print on demand industries. It is way too easy to start an international business with it because they have the biggest production network in the world with over 100 partners in 34 countries, guys. That's insane. So let's just jump into it. So over here, I'm on their platform and I'm just simply going to click on sign up to get started. So click on sign up and it's going to take you over to the sign up page where you can just simply enter in your details to sign up. So over here, you can sign up with Google or sign up with Facebook or Apple or set up or sign in with your email account. So I'm going to be signing up with Google, and over here, as you can see, it's just that. Really simple and it's really easy. Nothing too complicated about it. Just a simple click of a button and you are good to go. Now they're basically going to ask pretty basic questions like, why do you want to use Gelato? Where did you find Gelato? Where did you heard about them? And what type of products do you want to sell? And that's pretty much it. So over here, you have a bunch of different options that you can choose from, such as launch an online business, sell products to my followers, earn money as an affiliate, and all of that. Since we're going to be using Gelato to create our online business, you can select this option right here. But if you want to select other options, that's fine as well. For me, I'm just simply going to click on just exploring as of right now, and then they're going to ask you what are the products that you are interested in, and basically telling them which products that you are going to be using to create your own business. So for this one, I'm just simply going to click on clothing, and then they're going to ask you, how did you hear about them? Over here, you can enter in your own questions like, I heard it from YouTube or from a friend or from Google. So I'm just simply going to write from YouTube and then just simply accept their terms and conditions. And if you want to receive some additional emails or news or insights from Gelato, then you can check this account. But if you don't want to, you can uncheck it and click on finish. And once that's done, you are good to go. You are going to be over here onto their dashboard, and that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And that's how you set up your account. As I said before, it's the easiest way to set up your account. Now, once you set up your account, you are good to go. So over here, you will have a basic checklist that you can follow to create your own business. As you can see, it's really easy. In just 3 steps, you can create your online store and start your business. So over here, connect the store, create a product, and publish to store, and that's it. So let's go ahead and connect a product. So let's go ahead and connect a store. Now over here, Gelato will have a bunch of different integrations with other stores such as Shopify, Etsy platform, such as WooCommerce platform over here, Wix, Squarespace, and Amazon, and a bunch of other ones as well. But if you have your own one, you can go ahead and create your own custom store over here. Or if you already have a pre-made, store from any of these websites, then you can go ahead and click on connect and you are good to go, right? So let's go ahead and choose Shopify. So I'm going to click on connect Shopify, and it's going to open up Shopify's account store over here onto another browser. And over here, all you would have to do is just simply log in with your Shopify account that you've already created. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my Shopify account, and I'll catch you guys in a second. Now over here, as you can see, once you've signed into your Shopify account, just simply click on install app, and after a couple of seconds, it's going to be installed, and then it's going to redirect you to back to Gelato over here, where you just simply have to connect your products. Now over here, before you do that, they basically ask you, how would you like to import and process your orders? So automatically, if you choose that, it's going to import all the future orders into Gelato automatically. Whenever you receive your order from Shopify, they're already gonna automatically process all the orders and send the orders to production automatically. But if you choose manually, then you will have to do everything manually before you send the approval. So it all depends on your personal preference. But if you like to get rid of the hassle, I like to keep it automatically. But if you want to take control, then of course you can choose manually. After that, you just simply connect your products, right? If you already have a product, then you can click on connect product, and then you can go move on. But if you don't have a product, you just simply click on create a new product and move on. So I'm going to create a new product. Once I do that, over here, it's going to take me over to the production of the product over here, where I can choose which type of product I want to sell. Now I wanted to sell men's clothing, so I'll just simply click on that, and then they're going to ask me what type of clothes I want. Either it's hoodies, long sleeve t-shirts, sportswear, organic, tank tops, whichever. So I'm gonna choose t-shirts, and over here they have a bunch of different options for t-shirts. So over here you can see we have a bunch of different options you can choose from. I'm gonna choose the premium unisex t-shirt and move on. Then it's gonna take you over here where you have the design section over here, and then over here you just simply design your product, right? So you input your logo whether in front or back, and you can choose the sizes of your product. So I'm gonna keep small, medium, large, and XL. That's about it. And then I will choose the color of the product as well. So I want to keep white and maybe black and maybe even red. And once that's done, you can choose which type of color you want, right? So actually I wanted a black, I didn't want navy, so I'll choose black. Here we go. So now we just upload our logo, right? So I've already created a design. Let me just go ahead and do that. So I'll simply click on add new over here, and I'll click on add image. Then it's going to ask me, where do you want to import your image from? So I'm going to choose my device, and now I'm going to choose the logo that I created earlier. So over here, I think this was it. So I'm going to choose this option right here. Then it's going to, upload the logo, and then I just simply choose the file, and boom, here we go. So this is how it looks like, right? Pretty simple, nothing too fancy. And then if you click on the logo, you can increase the size of the logo as well. Make sure that it's where you want it. So I want to keep it over here at the top. You can even put it over here at the center, increase the size from the left and from the right so that it's perfectly in the center, but you can even rotate it as well. So it all depends on you. So I'm just simply gonna, capitalize the logo, and I'm gonna move it over here at the top. And once that's done, you are good to go. Then you can just view this on different colors and see how it looks like, right? So I don't think red looks all that good, so I'm just simply gonna go back over here onto product, and I'm gonna choose a different color, maybe blue. Let's see how it looks like on blue. It looks pretty cool. What about gray over here? Yeah, it looks really nice. So once that's done, you are good to go. And even on the back, if you want to add some writings as well, you can go ahead and do that. You simply click on text, click on add new text. It's going to enter in a sample, and then you can add your own text. So I'm just simply going to write Death Machines of London. I really like these people. I don't know why, but pretty cool. You can even click over here and decrease the size of the fonts as well so that it fits over here. So I'm going to keep it like that so that it's in one line, and then I'm going to put it over here, and I want to enter in my size over here, maybe 50. Then I can increase, and boom, there we go. So I think that looks cool. Maybe if I wanted to do, change some stuff up, maybe like if I wanted to, change the alignment up a little bit, I can do that. If I wanted to change the fonts as well, I can go ahead and do that as well. So over here you can make them full bold as well. So over here, if I increase the size a little bit, I think it looks good now. So once that's done, you are good to go. So front is this one, and in the back you have this text writing over there. And once everything is nice and ready, you are good to go. So next, just follow in other steps as well, such as layout. You have your settings, you have Getty image, you have graphics as well. You can add in more images from Shutterstock and personalization as well. So once you have edited your product, you just simply click on connect to media and move over to the second part, which is the media part over here. And then you just choose which type of media you want, right? This is the main image, and over here you choose the different mockup styles. So I like this one, and I'll use this one and maybe even this one as well. And yeah, I think it all looks good. Over here down below, you can view all the mockup designs, your shirt on different models, on different images with different colors. And once that's done, just simply click on connect to details, and then over here you just enter in the details of your product. So they've already added in a default detail over here. You can go ahead and remove that and change it up as you like, but I think this looks nice for now. And then you have your attachments, and then you have your tag settings as well. You can enter in your tags, your personalizations and stuff like that. I'm gonna choose homepage as well. And once you've done that, just simply click on connect to prices, which is the final step. And over here you add in your prices of your product, and over here you will have your retail price, and over here you will have your profit, right? So over here, once that's done, if you like the price, you can go ahead and click on continue. But if you want to make some changes, you can do that as well. So I think everything looks good, and I'm just simply going to click on publish, and now my product is going to be published onto my store, and we are good to go. And pretty much that's it. That's how you do it. Next, what you can do is maybe you can go into billing sections over here, and you can add in your payment method and subscription plans if you feel like it. But I think you can do that as well. It all depends on your country. You don't have to do a lot. You just have to enter in your bank details, your credit card, your PayPal account, whichever you feel like is good. And then once you've done that, you are good to go. So right now it's publishing. So I'm just simply going to wait for a couple of seconds for it to be published, and then we will move on. And over here, as you can see, the product has now been connected. If you click over here, you will see all of your variants as well. So If you scroll down, you will see all the variants of all your shapes and sizes and different colors as well. So pretty much that's it. And if you go over to your Shopify account, you will see the exact same product over here. And as you can see, it's active. So pretty much that's it. That's how you do it. That's how you integrate your Gelato with your Shopify. And yeah, that's how you use Gelato to promote and start your online print on demand business. And also, if you want to get a 50% off on your first order from Gelato, if you were shopping on Gelato, which I think you should, then make sure to click the link down in the description below and you will be able to acquire 50% off. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.